Hello and welcome back to Katie's Business Tips. In this series, short one, we're going to talk about tips for organizing receipts and documents for your finances, particularly for your business we're talking about here, of course. Organizing your receipts and financial documents is essential for efficient bookkeeping, tax compliance, and easy audits if you get audited. A structured system ensures accuracy, saves time, and provides you with that peace of mind. Here are some practical tips to remember to do with organizing your financial receipts and documents. Number one, go digital as soon as possible. This is the wave we're in right now. Paper gets lost all the time. It's okay to have a paper backup if you want to keep it in a filing cabinet, but digital is much easier to organize and much easier to back up. You don't have to photocopy everything like if you had to with a hard copy to make a second photocopy, right? So the nice thing, if you have digital and you have hard copy, then you already have a backup, and that's okay. The problem nowadays is a lot of documents come to you digitally. So you then have to print them if you're doing hard copy. So if they're already digital, it also makes it easier, right? Use apps like the Cam Scanner or Adobe Scan or a specialized tool like Expensify to digitize your paper receipts. There's lots of things you can just take pictures of, very simple. Store digital files securely on a platform like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. Secure them there and then back them up on your own hard drive somewhere as well, okay? And also use a consistent naming format for easy retrieval so it's easy to search. Very important, your naming convention is very important. Number two, use a receipt management tool, right? Expensify, Shoeboxed, Wave, Simplify receipt, storage, and categorization. I haven't used some of these myself, but some of our clients use, and they rave about them. Arrange receipts by month or year within each category to simplify audits and reconciliations as well. So sorting by category and date. Number four, maintain a centralized system. Use labels on your folders. You can use colors on folders inside of OneDrive and Microsoft and Google Drive and all these. You can color code them if you want. You can basically make it so that you have subfolders, obviously, and really keep good, organized, maintained, centralized system. Okay. And it's kind of like your chart of accounts for your bookkeeping. Your structure system of your folders is very important to the foundation of where you save all your documents, obviously, right? Number five is set up a regular organization session. Dedicate time to file receipts and update financial records. Don't think it's just going to happen on its own. You got to set aside time on a regular basis to do this to make sure it happens, or someone has to. And then put expense into your bookkeeping system promptly to avoid backlog. So have a system that also works not only to store your data, but to input it into your bookkeeping as soon as possible as part of that process. Number six, separate personal and business records. Very important, just like we talked about before. Your business and personal are two different things. Your business is, if it's a corporation, it's a separate entity, like a separate person, right? So use dedicated bank accounts and credit cards and have separate folder systems for the business and personal. Maintain clear boundaries between them to avoid any confusion. And number seven, the last one for this video, is use accounting software, as we talked about before. QuickBooks, Xero, things like that, very important. You can actually link the receipts and invoices right inside the bookkeeping software. You can link it to the transaction inside there, plus have your copy digitally stored somewhere else or hard copy. Okay? These tools will help you categorize them within your bookkeeping, and also when you upload anything like that into that receipt, or into that transaction, you can go into that transaction and you click on it and you can view the receipt right there as part of the transaction. Very handy. That's it for part one. In the next video, we'll get into part two, and we'll look forward to seeing you then.